Hi everyone, in today's video, we will make this cute gingerbread house. No holiday is complete without an adorable gingerbread house to display. But honestly, there are some downfalls to an actual real gingerbread house. Some problems you may encounter include your crackers just won't stand up. No matter what you do, they won't stick. Another big issue is those delicious building materials keep getting eaten, either by you or a friend. When it's finally time to decorate, you've come to realize you've eaten all your decorations. A heartbreaking problem is that you'll eventually see your masterpiece get thrown into the trash. Well, have no fear, a dollhouse from the Dollar Tree is here. Giant orange cat is not included, but what is included is all of this cute furniture and 2 little figures as well. This furry guy isn't included either, but he really wanted to do a home inspection. I really like all of the details on this house, and it looks like it would be the perfect shape for a gingerbread house. To create the look of icing, I used my glue gun to go across the edges. I applied glue on all of the trims. And don't worry about being neat. The messy look creates the illusion that it's real icing, and also it looks like snow. I also applied dots of glue to the rooftop to make it look like candy pieces. The glue that was applied to the corner of the roof started to drip, and it created a cool effect as if it were icing or icicles dripping from the roof. Don't forget to work on the sides. Every detail counts. I mixed acrylic paint together to create the color of gingerbread, and then I applied 2 coats. I made sure that the first coat was dry before I applied the second. The green door was converted to cherry red. These fake candy pieces are safe from any sticky fingers. I traced over the rooftop shingles. A little tedious, but since the grooves were already there, why not? The little door even opens. So cute. I placed 2 battery-operated candles to the back to create a warm glow. This really gave it the effect of a cozy gingerbread house. So I don't think Santa's going to be able to squeeze through that door. But that's okay, good thing he uses magic. A close-up of the finished project. So everyone, what do you think? I am super happy with the results. All the look of a real gingerbread house, but this one is gonna last forever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to check out all of my new content. Also, look out for part 2 of this video where I'll be decorating the inside of this gingerbread house.